So today we're going to be looking at how to remove the pre-installed apps that come with Windows 10. It's got a few PowerShell commands involved. So initially, if we go to the notifications area and click all settings, and then left click apps, and in the search box under apps and features, the app we're going to look at removing today is Maps. So Microsoft Maps. If you left click on that, see, normally what you get is you get the uninstall button that you could click, but unfortunately it's grayed out, so we need to go to the search bar at the bottom, and if you type in PowerShell and then you need to run it as an administrator, click yes. So the first command that you need to enter is the get app package and pipe that to select name. This will give you a whole list of all the app packages that Windows 10 installs, and the one we're looking for is a Microsoft.Windows Maps. And the next command we need to look at running is the get dash app package, and then it'll be Microsoft.Windows Maps, and pipe that to remove dash app package, and then press enter, and that'll actually remove the app package for Windows Maps. And as you can see, it's just disappeared now. If you do actually need to reinstall this, just go to the Windows Store and search for Microsoft Maps, and then you can just reinstall. Thanks for watching.